And here we see the majestic Sophie. Oh, she spotted me. We see the majestic Sophie in its natural habitat. My backyard. Sophie! Sophie! Come here. Come here, Sophie. Hee. Ugh, it's a bumblebee. It's coming towards me. Come here, Sophie. Hello, baby. Hello, come here. Up. Oh, yeah. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello. What was that? Could this be a new look for me? I love my hair on this side. Feel awkward now. Come here. I know. So it's been a pretty long time since I've made a video. I've just been pretty lazy. So yeah, now I'm gonna start like making videos pretty frequently. Not sure how frequently, but I'm gonna start making them. I have a parrot, and her name is Sophie. Sophie the parrot. What's that? I keep hearing this weird noise and I don't know what it is. It's just like... There it is. I think it's a dog. Not sure. Sophie, is that a dog? Oh, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Yeah, that's right. Oh, you're so cute. She always goes in that one spot. Like, what's up with that? Bruh, why are you always there?